In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish updates to a Google form, instead of sending a new form every time you make a change. When you're working with Google Forms, it's common to tweak questions, fix typos, or adjust settings after you've already shared the form. The good news is, you don't need to resend a brand new link or email an updated version to everyone. Once a Google form is created and shared, any changes you publish to that same form are automatically reflected for anyone using the existing link. First, open your Google form from Google Drive or directly from the form's homepage. Make sure you're editing the original form, not a copy. You'll know you're in edit mode if you can click into questions and see the toolbar on the right where you can add new questions, titles, or sections. Go ahead and make whatever updates you need. This might be changing the wording of a question, adding a new multiple choice option, adjusting required fields, or updating the confirmation message people see after submitting. Take your time to review each section so everything looks correct and clear. As you edit, notice there's no Publish button like you might see in other tools. Google Forms auto-saves your changes in real time. That means each adjustment you make is being saved to the same form that's already shared. The key is to keep using the same share link instead of generating a new one. To confirm you're not accidentally resending the form, look at the top right and click the eye icon to preview. This opens the live version your respondents will see. Walk through it as if you're a participant and check that all the updates appear correctly. If you spot anything off, go back to the Editor tab, adjust it, and refresh the preview to see the change. If you've previously sent the form by email or shared the link in chat, documents, or on a website, you don't need to do that again just because you updated it. Everyone who opens that original link will automatically get the current, updated version of your form. Only use the Send button again if you're sharing the form with a brand new audience or posting the link somewhere new. Otherwise, think of your form as a living document. As long as you keep editing the same form, your changes are effectively published to everyone, without spamming them with new emails or multiple links.